Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey all, I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. I believe knowledge is power, so go ahead and subscribe, ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and they're always packed full of information. You're not going to want to miss one. This is episode 156, and we're going to be talking about new commission structure. If you've been keeping up with the world of real estate, you know that last summer there was a big lawsuit, and for a while, everyone was actually talking about the new commission structure. But, you know, when you actually boil it down and you analyze it, it's oddly similar to the old structure, and I'm going to explain how. Commission, honestly, has always been negotiable. It's between the buyer and the seller, but the new structure gets us talking more about how everyone's going to get paid. Traditionally speaking, sellers paid the buyer's agent, but this isn't necessary. This has not always necessarily been true, but it was typically the way things were handled. For example, when we're talking now, I suggest to my sellers they should consider paying a buyer's agent. It actually encourages more people to come in the door, and then I remind my buyers and sellers it's always part of the negotiations when we start making offers. And this is why you need a quality agent. You need someone who understands the intricacies of how to structure an offer to make sure that your offer is going to stand out, even if that includes maybe moving around how we're going to get the agents paid. If you like these videos, you can always check out my past episodes. There's a lot of great content over on my YouTube channel. Just search me on YouTube. It's got all the previous episodes, 160 now, plus some other great information specifically about the local market. You can also check me out on Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.